Global space agencies play a pivotal role in the surveillance of near-Earth objects, NEOs, which are asteroids and comets whose orbits bring them into close proximity with Earth. Given the potential threat that NEOs pose to our planet, the collaborative efforts of these agencies are crucial for detecting, tracking, and characterizing these celestial objects to assess the risk of impact and devise strategies for planetary defense. The significance of NEO surveillance was underscored by the impact of an asteroid in Chelyabinsk, Russia, in 2013, which highlighted the potential for significant damage even from relatively small objects. Since then, the international community has intensified efforts to identify and monitor NEOs, with several space agencies leading the charge. NASA, the United States Space Agency, has been at the forefront of NEO surveillance through its Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, CNEOS, which operates under the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL. CNEOS is responsible for the accurate prediction of NEO orbits, impact probabilities, and potential consequences of impacts. NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations, NEOO, program funds surveys and telescopes dedicated to discovering and tracking NEOs, such as the Pan-STARRS, the Catalina Sky Survey, and the NEOWISE mission. Additionally, NASA is developing the Near-Earth Object Surveillance Mission, NEOSM, a space-based infrared telescope designed to enhance the detection and tracking of NEOs. The European Space Agency, ESA, also plays a significant role in NEO surveillance through its Planetary Defense Office, which coordinates Europe's efforts in this domain. ESA's Space Situational Awareness, SSA, program includes the Near-Earth Objects Coordination Center, NEOC, which works in conjunction with observatories and institutions across Europe to track NEOs and assess the risk they pose. ESA is also working on the HERA mission, set to launch in the coming years, which will study the binary asteroid system Didymos and its moonlet, in conjunction with NASA's DART mission, to test asteroid deflection techniques. The Russian Space Agency, Roscosmos, contributes to NEO surveillance through its network of observatories and is planning to enhance its capabilities with new space-based and ground-based observatories. Similarly, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, operates its Baisei Space Guard Center, equipped with advanced telescopes for tracking NEOs, and has proposed missions to investigate these objects further. China's National Space Administration, CNSA, is increasing its involvement in NEO surveillance, with plans to construct new observatories and develop space missions aimed at studying NEOs. The CNSA's efforts are part of China's growing commitment to planetary defense and space situational awareness. The collaboration between global space agencies is facilitated by international initiatives and agreements. The International Asteroid Warning Network, IAWN, established by the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, COPUOS, serves as a forum for sharing information on NEO discoveries, orbits, and potential impact risks. The Space Mission Planning Advisory Group, SMPAG, also under COPUOS, works on the planning of space missions for NEO threat response, encouraging cooperation between space agencies. This collaborative approach to NEO surveillance is critical, as no single nation has the resources or capabilities to address the NEO threat alone. The sharing of data, expertise, and resources among space agencies worldwide enhances the global capacity to detect and respond to NEOs, thereby reducing the risk they pose to Earth. In conclusion, global space agencies play an indispensable role in the surveillance of near-Earth objects, working both independently and collaboratively to monitor and mitigate the potential threats posed by NEOs. Through advancements in technology, international cooperation, and the development of space missions dedicated to NEO research and deflection, these agencies are enhancing our understanding of NEOs and our preparedness for potential impacts, safeguarding the future of our planet.